Most people believe getting rich takes decades of grinding, sacrificing, and following the traditional path: school, job, savings, retirement. But what if there was a shortcut, one that's been right in front of you this whole time, yet almost nobody sees? The wealthy? And they leverage it every single day to accelerate their financial freedom. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on this hidden strategy. Because once you understand it, you'll never look at money the same way again. The wealth shortcut no one talks about. Most people make the same mistake: they trade their time for money. They clock in, work long hours, maybe pick up a side hustle, and hope they can save enough to retire comfortably someday. But the wealthy? They don't work for money, they build systems that make money for them. This is the difference between staying stuck in the rat race and escaping it forever. It's called leveraged income, and it's the hidden shortcut that turns ordinary people into millionaires. And thanks to today's digital economy, this strategy is more accessible than ever. 1. Digital real estate. Owning physical real estate has created millionaires for centuries. The wealthy are quietly acquiring digital assets that generate income 24/7. Automated websites, blogs, niche sites, and content platforms that earn passive ad revenue. These are assets that require little maintenance but can generate cash flow for years. Imagine owning a website that earns ad revenue every time someone visits. Or a membership group where subscribers pay monthly, without you lifting a finger. 2. The money. You've heard of OPM, other people's money. But here's an even bigger shortcut: opt other people's time. Most people believe they have to do everything themselves. They build businesses where they're the business. The wealthy? They do the opposite. Freelancers and automation, hiring specialists to scale their businesses effortlessly. They earn more while doing less. Think about it. While most people trade their own time for income, the wealthy are leveraging thousands of hours of other people's time to build businesses that work without them. That's why they make money even when they sleep. Here's another secret. The wealthy don't just earn money, they make their money work for them. Most people spend their extra income on luxury, entertainment, or temporary pleasures. The wealthy? They reinvest their earnings, turning one stream of income into multiple. Passive income is used to acquire even more income-generating assets. This is how wealth compounds. The key isn't just making money, it's multiplying it. Trading time for money feels safe. They fear risk. But the real risk? Staying in the same place for the next 40 years. The truth is, most people are too comfortable with what they know. They think wealth is only for the lucky or the privileged. Only a few people are willing to see them. The path to wealth doesn't have to take decades. The wealthy don't follow the rules most people do. Digital assets and reinvestment strategies to grow wealth faster than anyone expects. Most people will ignore this. They'll change their financial future forever. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.